Exceptional students, here we come. We have new knowledge and skills to help you learn. Listen to our rap will help you remember all the tools that we gather together. First, let's start with IEPs. We create them with a team to help the child so they can succeed. In our toolbox, we have included the form because you need to brainstorm. Individualized education plans, the benchmarks, goals, and services so you can teach and your student will reach their full potential. But don't forget, it's confidential. Now, next up is RTIs. We use this to minimize inadequacies in learning, but that's no surprise. We take preventative measures to make sure no one is left behind. Look in our toolbox and you will see interventions planned out from tiers 1, 2, and 3. As future educators, our classes will be diverse, so it's very important that you listen to this verse. Respect cultural differences and get to know your class, so down the road you don't receive sass. Make sure that you compromise when you are trying to devise. Collaboration is key, as you can see. Disabilities aren't all bad as long as you don't make them a handicap. Remember to use the UDL guide note.
No.
So students don't fall behind. High or low, it shouldn't matter. Put yourself in their shoes, the perspective might shatter. PBS is fairly simple. Without it, your management could be detrimental. Make sure you stay away from negativity and try to reward your class with positivity. It's more efficient, I can guarantee. Don't be a fool and use these tools.
Teacher Toolbox UDL guidelines. These are the finer things in our lives.